one monitor and you're just on the other. Can we on now?
I think so, yeah. Just the guitar isn't too booming in the house, we should be alright.
Okay. No, I heard that.
Then there's the voice, but yeah, it should be alright. Okay. Yeah. You ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Alright, it's just take a
Beats and fish change hands and children staying up late. Kind of jumps out. Splashed the night there was a taxidermist grinning with delight, but now he's gone. Ah yeah, only the stones remain. Cows are decked in flowers and ovulated while boys suck juice from them out of their fresh young balls. Soldiers crossed their hearts and died, and pretty cows turned cold inside, but now they're gone. Ah yeah, only the stones remain. The stones have forgotten their. The stones have forgotten their. Break your body, drain the life out of it. It sinks into the soil while the soul flies up into the air. And when there's no more tears to cry, there's nothing left to do but laugh. Stained glass elaborations collapse. Candy floss evaporates, honey. Only the stones remain. Ah yeah, only the stones remain. Ah yeah, only the stones remain.
voice for this. Sounds good. Is the guitar up loud enough? My fingers are dead, so
on this roof I play this riff, play until my hands are hollow. You can play to the tomatoes, you can play to the Apollo. On the set I stand erect, like an egg for you to swallow. Kiss me till your light goes out, kiss me till there's no tomorrow. You don't have to look very far, you don't have to look very far at all. You don't have to look very far, it's the end of your night. Scene for the Museum of Sex. Scene for the Museum of Sex. In the end I'll be a star. Through my eyes the eels will wallow. In the end I'll be a warden. Time is not for us to follow. But you don't have to look very far, you don't have to look very far at all. You don't have to look very far, it's the end of your night. Scene for the Museum of Sex. Scene for the Museum of Sex.
oh, let's hear that riff.
On this roof I play this riff, play until my hands are hollow. Music is the antidote to the world of pain and sorrow. But you don't have to look very far, you don't have to look very far at all. You don't have to look very far, it's the end of your night. Sex.
Let's have a look at that riff. Here it is.
I love that old Museum of Sex. You never know what's happening next. Hairs develop under your skin. Now look at the shape that you're in the Museum of Sex. In the Museum of Sex. In the Museum of Sex. In the Museum of Sex.
I'm sorry, I completely phrased the end of that song wrong. It should go like this. It should be in the Museum of Sex. Like, there's a really small pause. I didn't get that right. I apologise. Okay, let's just.
What's your name?
My name is Marie Antoinette. And all my best friends are edible. set on a beach in Tel Aviv in Israel. It's the second track of our most recent album. Not only is everything... Oh no, it's booming. There's a lot of museum pieces around, and it's great to be part of the great museum. This has a beautiful harmony on it which you can't hear live unless you listen really closely. It also has a really good cello part. What you're getting here is like the very basic guide track. This is what the song must have been like before it was recorded. How historic is that? Just imagine, you've never heard the record and already you're hearing a stripped down version of what you're going to hear a fuller version of, and then this is it. I think, okay. And the drums come in just after the beginning, so it sounds like this, but very quickly there's this elegant artificial Scottish percussion.
I wonder what she's thinking when she's sitting to me. Although her eyes are open and she's staring at the sea, she's lost in contemplation as her hair hangs to the ground. I wonder if she prays, is she making any sound? Be still. What is singing through her mind as she sits away? As beautiful as silence and as quiet as a song. I wonder where she's heading when she goes back into town. Who does she relate to when she puts her money down? Be still. Let the darkness fall upon you. Be still. Be still. Let the darkness fall upon you. Be still. Be still. Let the darkness fall upon you. Her eyes are dark as berries and her skin is charcoal brown. She gazes to the future out to where the sun goes down, to where the night is falling on a lover or a friend. Somebody's beginning is just someone else's end. Be still. Let the darkness fall upon you. Be still. Be still. Let the darkness fall upon you. Be still. Be still. Let the darkness fall upon you.
my website is right next to the Vatican website. And because obviously, like the Catholic Church, I'm quite an old institution. A lot of people ask me for guidance on family planning and whether, why and how to have children, and where babies come from and that kind of stuff. And I always refer them to the Pope next door. I mean, it works both ways. They occasionally get an order for one of my records. So this is dedicated to whoever the incoming Pope is. I'm sure whoever it is, they're here. They're probably in the Four Seasons. I'm at the Four Seasons tomorrow morning for the breakfast show at 9:30. They've promised me a supply of things I can no longer eat. Dreams I can no longer have. And visions I no longer want. And I think, well, that's got to go to the Pope. They said there's a special guest, so I assume His Holiness will be installed tomorrow. Flown in from the airport. Bergstrom? Okay, so this is my papal song. Thank you. The trees of tarantulas got me home. Advertising the cacti at home. Tarantulas cluster in their underground dome. Ole, tarantula. Firm black legs and a spicy goatee. If you see Gino, won't you kiss him for me? Ole, tarantula. Through the dark window, she squeezes her eggs, and they come tumbling on this spindly legs. Ole, tarantula. I feel like a three-legged chinchilla, standing on a table so wide I can't see over the side. Tarantula. Licking his fingers, caressing the keys. If you don't please you, you just can't be pleased. Ole, tarantula. Guiding me through a shiny dark mist, Your Holiness. If she don't kiss you, will you ever be kissed? Ole, tarantula. I knew a woman in San Francisco, or maybe we were down in San Jose, I don't recall. Yeah, forget about me. Tarantula. All life is sinful, the Catholics say. You sit up quick and then you throw it away. Ole, tarantula. Ole, tarantula.
much you love.
Thank you. Well, what you know about England, older listeners will remember the Beatles, and then those of you with sort of middle years will remember Princess Diana and her lovely husband, Prince Charles. Younger listeners will probably remember Prince Charles's son and his lovely bride, who's not his mother. And the other thing about Britain is that it always rains, like it always rains in the west coast of Norway, and it rains in Seattle. That's because there's a lot of Norwegians in Seattle, and so the rain followed them. But they have to fly over Britain to get to Seattle, and so they took the rain with them, and it falls in Britain. Unlike y'all, we in Britain wear our misery on the surface. You keep your misery inside and try to be happy on the surface, which is the basis of your neuroses. We're just morose, unpleasable people. And I'm sure there's none of those in the States or Canada. So this is a song by Robin Hitchcock, which is incidentally who I am. Thank you. How old am I? Very old. And how old are you? Not quite as old. Okay, check it out.
Give me a rainy, grey, drizzly day. I feel okay when the skies are grey. Like the bullfrog in the reeds, the tiny pulse is all I need. Dismal city, that's where I belong. Dismal city, it's got it going on and on and on. Your idea of fun's not mine. I like to go where the sun don't shine. Sunlight falls, it's much too harsh. I'd rather float in a cool dank marsh. Dismal city, that's where I belong. Dismal city, it's right here in this song. Through the endless great parade of terraced houses in the shade, to the statues in the park where moss grows in the dark. Dismal city, that's where I belong. Plump and round on a lily pad, I think of you and I'm not glad. Too much brightness isn't right. Twilight's where I feel alright. Dismal city, that's where I belong. Dismal city, I love it when all goes wrong. England is a dismal place. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I've got England on my face. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Don't get too big for your boots, and don't stray too far from your roots. Negative, not what you know. I need some place to go. Dismal city, that's where I belong. Dismal city, It's got it going on and on and on. Dismal city, I love it when it all goes wrong. Dismal city, so I sing a dismal song. Oh yeah.
Thank you for coming to the Brooklyn Vegan. We appreciate you have a choice. There's obviously something really exciting happening around here. It's not this. But judging by the kind of... If you'd heard a noise like that 200 years ago, you'd have assumed it was the work of the devil, and you'd have had an Episcopalian bishop freighted down from Denver, Colorado, which had only just barely been invented then. They'd brought down the Bishop of Denver to cast out the fiends that were making these, rolling rock noise. And this is a song that the bishops used to sing to each other. There used to be these things called bishop cancelling contests, where like two key bishops would go and try and cancel each other out. They used to. It's hard to explain. It's not very interesting either.
People get what they deserve. Time is round, his face is curved. Honey, have you got the nerve to be Queen Elvis? See that man that mows his lawn, hanging track before the dawn. Summer maiden, summer dawn, to be Queen Elvis. It could break your mother's heart. It's already broken your father's heart. Coming out's the hardest part. When you're Queen Elvis. Justify your special ways. Justify your special ways. Getting blowjobs from the press. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. I'm jealous, can't you get? I'd never squeeze into your dress. Not now, Queen Elvis. Justify your special ways. Oh, justify your special ways. Two mirrors make infinity. In the mirror you and me. Find out just what love could be. You know this. All I'll touch you so very hard. Oh, now stop you to you. Forget what they deserve. Time is round and space is curved. Have you got the nerve to be Queen Elvis?
You know why vampires actually are immortal? It's because they are able to locate the puncture marks that are already in the sides of our necks. It's a complete urban myth that vampires have very, very sharp fangs. Actually, because vampires are quite old, these incisor teeth here are often pitifully blunt. You couldn't even tear open a bag of peanuts with them, or beef jerky, should you choose to do so. But they have very good eyesight when it comes to finding the there's a broom on this, isn't it? The predetermined, when you're born you have those puncture necks on either side of your marks, either side of your neck. That's why people are often called Mark. And they have these, there's a broom, the vampires are trying to stop this message, but it's true, that's why they last for so long. Oh, it really doesn't like that, does it? I finished saying it now, it's okay. That's why they last. Okay, this is the final song. It's from the record that, if you ever hear it, won't sound like this. But it's called Love from London, and this is one of the songs. It's a song. Thank you, it's been great to be on After Camper. Thank you, yeah. This is the encore, and it's going to be on the same stage as Camper Van Beethoven. While the stage is still warm from their mighty boots. Okay? Tendrils grow between us, tendrils you can't see. I'm dissolving into you, you're flowing into me. That's everything, that's what you wanna be. I love you. Real love is generous, there's nothing it withholds. It won't desert you because you're feeling nervous or you're old. Every second that you get to spend together is pure gold. I love you.
Nothing in the world's like you. Believe me, 'cause I've looked. Even if I'm wriggling, you know that I'm still hooked. I stand beside you, honey, naked and uncooked. I love you. I love you. I love you. In some miracle way, in some miracle way, you're gonna find the satisfaction you deserve ahead of the curve. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you. I love you.